Hi learners, this is Miss Griffith. I have a math lesson for you today. In a previous math video, we worked on word problems. And the type of word problems that we worked on was subtracting to compare in word problems. In that video, we worked our way through 3 different word problems. For today's video or today's work, we are going to continue to work on word problems, and the word problems will still use subtracting in order to compare. I'm going to pick up with number 4 today. It says, there are 8 triangles and 5 circles. How many fewer circles than triangles are there? We have been given pictures of triangles. We have been given circles. We have also been given a subtraction sentence or equation, and that reads 8 take away 5 equals blank. And we are given a line to write our answer on. I am going to read the word problem once more through before I begin working and solving it. There are 8 triangles and 5 circles. How many fewer circles than triangles are there? I want to make sure that there are 8 triangles drawn for me, and I want to make sure that there are 5 circles drawn for me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 triangles, and now I want to see if there are 5 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. Now, the important word in this word problem is fewer. I am not adding the triangles and circles. I am trying to figure out how many fewer circles than triangles are there. They start with the number 8, so they start with 8 because that's the number of triangles, and then they're going to take away 5. I'm going to cross out triangles as a way to take them away, and I'm going to cross out 5 because that's the number of circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have crossed out or taken away 5 triangles, and I have 3 triangles left. 3 triangles left. I'm going to put a 3 on this line. 8 take away 5 equals 3. There are 3 fewer circles than there are triangles. Now that we have worked our way through number 4, I am going to begin on number 5. The first step to answering a word problem is to read the word problem. There are 2 squares and 7 triangles. How many fewer squares than triangles are there? I read the word problem once through. Now I need to notice what has been given to me to help me solve the problem. Just like in the problems before this one, I have been given pictures of triangles and squares to help me. I've also been given a subtraction sentence or equation that reads 7 take away 2 equals blank, and then I've been given a line to write my answer. I am going to read the word problem one more time before I begin working. There are 2 squares and 7 triangles. How many fewer squares than triangles are there? There are 7 triangles, and I'm going to cross out or take away 2. 1, 2. I have these triangles left, and I need to count to see how many I have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7 take away 2 equals 5. There are 5 fewer squares than triangles are there. We worked our way through 2 word problems that we were given, and we used subtraction in order to compare within those word problems. Now that we are done with those 2 word problems, I did want to create my own word problem to see if we can work together to answer it. All right, I have wrote the word problem, and the word problem reads, Miss G has 6 girls. She also has 4 boys. How many more girls than boys does she have? I am going to draw a capital G in order to represent each girl. So I'm going to draw 6 capital G's because there are 6 girls. And I'm going to draw 4 capital B's because there are 4 boys. 6, take away 4. I am going to cross out 4 capital G's. 1, 2, 3, 4. I am left with 2 capital G's or 2 girls. 6 take away 4 equals 2. So the answer to this problem is 2 more girls. Miss G has 2 more girls than boys. In today's lesson, I worked through 2 word problems that I was given in order to get the correct answer. And then I finished up with a word problem that I created on my own. I hope that you guys get a chance to practice with word problems and math at home. Thank you. Goodbye.